Yeah, I tried it. I nearly cried. In fact, I cried. Not even I nearly cried. I cried my eyes out. Couple of days ago, I uploaded this video which I shared my step-by-step routine on the days of exfoliation, and a lot of you asked that I should share my routine on the days without exfoliation. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my step-by-step morning skincare routine. If you want to have a glowing, radiant and brighter skin, you need to have, like I always say, you need to have a morning routine, you need to have a night routine, you need to have days for exfoliation and double cleansing. You also need to have days of break, and you need to always protect your skin. Starting with this our morning routine, what I normally do is I usually start with the cleanser. So the cleanser I'll be using here in this video is this one from the Simple Glow Facial Wash. This one I'm using currently for my morning routine. So this is the cleanser I'll be using to demonstrate this morning routine for you guys. I'll need to like wash my face before I go in to cleanse my face. So my face is washed right now, so we'll be going in with the cleanser. This is how the cleanser is inside. It has a creamy texture. It has some tiny particles inside. We're going on, we're going to be using it on our face right now. So right now we have to like wash it off. Just take your time, massage your cleanser in your face, like massage it thoroughly. This particular cleanser doesn't have foam, it's not foamy. It has more like an exfoliating cleanser and at the same time a moisturizing cleanser, because it exfoliates your face at the same time moisturize your skin. I like this cleanser so much. I've used it before. I think I have one of empties of this particular cleanser. I like it so much. It exfoliates your skin, it brightens your skin, and it also moisturizes your skin. So I'm going to wash it off, then come back and show you guys my next step. So let me wash up my face. Okay, I finished washing my face right now, so I'm going to allow my face to air dry. After my face is air dry, then I'll go in with the next step, which is the toner. The toner I use is this rose water toner. I use it to hydrate my face. I just put it in a spray bottle, then I spray it on my face. This is it over here. Then I'll take it, then I'll massage it all over my face. Put it everywhere, all over my face. I'll extend it down to my neck. Any product you are using, please make sure you extend it down to your neck. That's where you see good results. After this method, I will now go in with my serum. You can either use a vitamin C serum or you can use a niacinamide serum. But in this morning routine, I'm going to be using a vitamin C serum. The serum I'll be using is this one from the Balance Active Vitamin C Serum. This is what I use in my morning routine. I love this vitamin C serum so well. It's hydrating, it brightens your skin, it clears dark spot. This serum is one serum that I recommend. This brand, either their vitamin C serum or their niacinamide serum is very, very, very nice. I think I have the niacinamide serum. Let me show you guys. Either this or you get this. Any of them will still do the job. Like, you can either use this, especially if you have a oily skin, use this one. If you have an oily skin or you have an acne prone skin, please use the niacinamide serum from this brand or any niacinamide serum. But if you have a normal skin, if you have a dry skin, you can go ahead and use the vitamin C serum. Normally I interchange, like I use this every morning, then I use this at night. This is one I'm going to be using on my face. So this is how it is inside. I'll take like this, then I'll apply on my face. Please don't allow the dropper to touch your face. I'll massage it all over my face. I like this serum so much. This one serum I've been using and I love it. Please extend it down to your neck. We are done applying our serum right now. So you're going to allow your serum to absorb into your skin. If you notice, after my toner, I just went immediately with my serum because the toner is more like water. It's just rose water. So I needed to hydrate my skin. So that's why I use my serum immediately. But if you're using maybe like an active toner, please allow it to absorb into your skin before you go in with the next step, which is your serum. Am I understood? And please allow your product to absorb into your skin before you go in with the next product on your skin. This particular practice makes your product to absorb easily into your skin, allow it to function before you go in with the next product. How you know that a product have absorbed into your skin will be a bit sticky. That's how you know that the product has absorbed into your skin. Just leave it for some minutes, then you go in with the next product. So our serum must properly absorb into our skin. So right now we're going in with our moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'll be using in this morning routine is this one from the Nivea Soft. This is the moisturizer over here. This is the moisturizer I'll be using for this morning routine on my skin. This is how it looks inside. So I'll be taking a little, I'll be applying it on my face. This is the quantity I use on my face. Before now, I used to use this particular one, this one from Face Fat. This is their Face Fat Vitamin C face cream. This is what I used before, but this one is finished, so I go in. So if you have this, you can use this. You can use any moisturizer of your choice on your skin. This is very nice. So let's massage it into our skin right now. It's so moisturizing. Nivea did a very good job with this moisturizer. Please extend all your products down to your neck. So this is the moisturizer I use on my face. As you can see, this moisturizer is very nice. It's so hydrating. So if you have a dry skin, this is a very good moisturizer. It doesn't leave this greasy finish on your face. It's very nice, and it leaves your face looking shiny and dewy. So I like it so much. I like this moisturizer so much. So if you have a dry skin, this moisturizer is perfect for those with even oily skin, because even though as you have an oily skin, you need a lot of moisture on your skin. Moisturizer is not going to clog your pores. So if you have an oily skin, if you have a dry skin, you can go ahead and use this particular moisturizer from the Nivea Soft. Let's allow it to absorb. Then we'll go in with the next step, which is our sunscreen. So the sunscreen I'll be using today is this one. This is a Hotamogi sunscreen. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I usually apply this sunscreen. I don't apply it around my eye area because it stings the eye. I don't apply it in my eye area. I just apply it on my face and on my neck and on my body. Every other part that is going to be exposed. That's where I use this sunscreen. I don't use the sunscreen around my eyes because the day I tried it, I nearly cried. In fact, I cried. Not even I nearly cried. I cried my eyes out. So since that day, I said I was never going to apply this sunscreen around my eye area. I'll be using the sunscreen as my body sunscreen after this one. So let's absorb it into the skin. Let's apply it in our skin now. So this is what I do. I extend it down to my neck or anywhere that is exposed on my skin. I'll just leave it, let it absorb into my skin. Then I'll now show you what I do normally on my eye area. I like this sunscreen so much. This sunscreen is so hydrating. Like, look at my face. Look at the way my face is just glittering and shining. So you see, it makes my face moisturized. It leaves my face looking shiny and dewy. The only downside about this sunscreen is the fact that it stings the eyes. So that's why I avoid applying it in my eye area. So most times, once I do it, I'll take maybe like my Gavian sunscreen or Miss Aqua sunscreen and apply on my eye area. But my Miss Aqua is finished, so I'll be using Gavian sunscreen. I'll be applying it around my eye area. So that's what I normally do, because this one does not stink. Gavian does not stink, but it doesn't leave this shiny dewy effect. So I'll just take it around my eye area, then I'll apply it. So that's what I do. Like drop. This is how my face is looking after I applied my sunscreen. Then the next thing I'm going to hydrate my lips. Sometimes I use this Vaseline lip therapy on my lips, but sometimes I use this Nivea on my lips. Today I'll be using this lip therapy. So I just apply it on my lips. That's all. This is basically what I do on my morning routine. This is my step-by-step morning routine. So this is what I do practically every morning on my face. This is how my face looks. So guys, how did you do your morning routine? Please do well to share down below. And if you've used any of these products which I've used in this morning routine, please do well to share your experience with the products in the comment section. And if you have any morning routine that has been working for you, please do well to share down in the comment section. So guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here that I talked about how I exfoliate my skin on the days of exfoliation. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.